Alright y'all, it has been a while since my last video. I was not planning on it being so long in between the videos, but life happened. So I am back, and this time around I'm just gonna see about tackling one drawer. So this is probably gonna be a bit of a shorter video. We'll see how it goes.
Just so you get an idea, this is what I have to work with. Well, this should be fun. Alright, so this is the corner where I've had my letter writing stuff for quite a while. For whatever reason, I put my pre-written out envelopes over here and then my stamps over here, but I'm just going to combine it. Also, this is open because I found more of these index cards. Also, I have not opened this since I made the video. That was so many weeks ago, but it looks so good. Alright, back to all this. Every single time I empty out a drawer, I always feel like, man, how is it that this all fits in so nicely? Like, yeah, this looks like a lot, but I bet you when I put the rest of it in, it's gonna look wonderful and it's gonna look almost empty. Like, I just find it kind of funny how much stuff like piles up and how messy it can look. But if I literally take 5 minutes to organize it and put it back in nicely, it looks so much better. And it's really not that much stuff. So this right here is almost a year's worth of unopened Voice of the Martyrs magazines, which is really embarrassing to admit and kind of sad. But now that I know that I have this many, I'm gonna start opening them and I'm gonna like read them with either my siblings, my boyfriend, or something, because there's some really, really good stories in there. If y'all don't know what Voice of the Martyrs is, I encourage you to check it out. But anyway, on to the next thing. Okay, so I did some rearranging. I have this one open because I was going to show y'all. I moved over some stuff from there to here. So this, my little prayer box, a couple random little things, and then I moved over a couple things from over there into here, and I took out a ton of garbage. This is the final look. I think it is really, really great, and I'm so glad I got that done because honestly, I have been putting off this desk project partially because I was quite busy, but I was also like, it takes a lot of work, it's just not that fun. Once I start, it's not that bad, and it looks amazing at the end. So I am now remotivated to do my last 3 drawers, which hopefully I will get through by the end of this week, if not next week, because as I said, been putting it off for way too long, so I need to step it up and see if I can get this series done, because I also would like to be making videos for y'all more often. Not super regularly, but every once in a while. My dreams, by the way, are to get a rabbit and chickens and perhaps grow a garden. So if I can get all that started this spring and summer, I will have a lot more interesting content for y'all. But for now, I am just kind of coming up with random things like organizing my drawers. I just had an idea. Y'all will see what that idea is if you go check out my post that I will make about the video idea shortly after this video is uploaded. So go look for it, comment, and be a part of the next video. That is all I have for y'all. It is shorter, maybe a little boring, but honestly, this is kind of more for me to be motivated and to give y'all something to watch. I apologize that it's not the most entertaining, but hopefully before too long, my brain can come up with some really great ideas. And if y'all have any ideas, please be sure to let me know and I will see if I can make them happen, because right now I'm just really not sure what I should do video-wise. If y'all have not read your Bible today, I encourage you to do so. Take some time to pray today and remember that you have a purpose on this earth, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye!